Hello, Diamond Squad. How are you guys doing? Hopefully, you guys doing great. Hope you're having a great evening. Now, I have two companies that I have on my list for tonight on this video, and it is called one job is called Clutter. The company is called Clutter, and the job role for this job is claims specialist. It's a remote position, and the pay for this job is $24 an hour. You must create a Indeed account before continuing to the company website to apply. So without that, you will not be able to apply to this job. Now, for this job, the benefits for this job is dental insurance, health insurance, internet reimbursement, stock options, and vision insurance. Full job description is here. Clutter is an on-demand technology company based in Los Angeles that is disrupting the 50 billion year self-storage and moving industries. We built an end-to-end logistics and supply chain platform that enables us to offer consumers a much more convenient solution at price parity with the incumbents. We've raised $300 million from a number of VCs, including SoftBank, Sequoia, Atomico, and GV, formerly Google Ventures. We have 750 plus team members and tens of thousands of customers in 7 major markets across the U.S., with plans to be in 50 plus markets, domestically and internationally, within the next 5 years. At Clutter, we're fortunate to be providing a consumer value proposition that people love and one that makes economic sense. A true product market fit that few startups focus on hiring, training, and retaining exceptional individuals. This means that we have a very thorough interview process and maintain high performance expectations, but will always be transparent with you and respectful of your time. The opportunity. Our claim specialists are analytical, passionate about resolving complex issues, and operate well under pressure. This team is responsible for resolving all customers' claims, escalated disputes, and social media risk with accuracy and professionalism. We are looking for a detailed-oriented claims specialist to join this collaborative fully remote team. This is an hourly position that may require overtime, depending on the needs of the business. This fully remote position reports to the trust and safety supervisor. What you get is $24 an hour starting pay. Schedules 5 8-hour shifts per week, plus a 30-minute unpaid lunch break. Shifts can start as early as 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and run until as late as 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Our team operates 7 days a week, and there is potential for overtime as needed. Incentive stock options. Full health benefits for you and your family, medical, dental, and vision. Equipment, a Mac laptop, and headset for work usage. Monthly internet stipend. That means that this company will pay for your internet access to work for their company monthly. Flexibility to work remotely from any state where we currently operate in California, Connecticut, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Nebraska, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Texas, Utah, Virginia, not West Virginia, Virginia, Washington, WA is Washington, not West Virginia, Washington, or Wisconsin. What you'll do, provide support throughout the claims process and own monetary compensation, escalations over the phone and via email. Investigate and evaluate customer damage, loss, item claims, and provide 100% accurate claims settlements. investigate and evaluate customer issue claims and provide resolutions that balance profitability, risk mitigation, and the customer experience, build rapport, and demonstrate empathy in all customer interactions. Monitor Clutter's social media presence, moderate comments, and provide support for customers who post on Yelp, Twitter, Instagram, GMB, BBB, Consumer Affairs, TP, and Groupon. Address and respond to customer debit and credit disputes. Accept customer inbound transferred phone calls from CX-1 that require risk mitigation. CX-1 that require risk mitigation. What we're looking for: bachelor's or associate's degree preferred, not required. Ability to work on weekends required. 1 year of experience in a customer facing role preferred, not required. And this is an entry level position, you guys. Keep that in mind, diamonds. It is an entry level position. Passion for technology and respect for the process. But if you have a bachelor's and associate's degree, it's a plus, and a 1 year of experience in a customer facing role, it's a plus as well, but it's not required. Self-starter possesses flexibility to work in a fast-changing environment with flexible shifts and ambiguous situations. Strong communicator who enjoy building rapport with customers and resolving complaints. Experience or understanding of how to work and collaborate with a remote, disputed team. Clutter is committed to fostering a fair, inclusive, and equal work environment. We strive to create a workplace that reflects the communities that we serve, where each team member is empowered to come to work as their true self. Diverse teams are more successful, which is why Clutter aims to be a leader in workplace equality and move both our company and the industry forward. And this position just got posted today, you guys, as you clearly see. And the name of the company, once again, is Clutter. Clutter, and the job role for this position, for this job, is claims specialist. It's a remote position, and the pay is $24 an hour. You guys, jump on it. So that one is for you to go ahead and apply to. I will have it down in the description box below the job link posted. And the second job that I have for you guys is from this company called Independent Community Bankers of America, and they are starting with the pay of $19 to $20 an hour. It's a full-time job position, and the job role for this job is a remote customer service call center rep. So with this job, the benefits will go as dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, and vision insurance. Full job description: $500 sign-on bonus, remote. 100% of employees' health, dental, vision, and full insurance premiums are paid by the company. This is a spectacular opportunity. Come join our team. Tcm Bank NA. Tcm Bank NA, a subsidiary of ICBA Bankcard, serves as a trusted advisor to community banks, helping them build and strengthen customer relationships with fully branded consumer and business credit card programs. Our priority is making sure our customers receive the same personal attention that they get when they walk into a community bank branch. Remote customer service call center, the contact center associate. This job role entails the successful candidate will provide the best red carpet customer service with the utmost respect and kindness while assisting customers with their accounts. We hire and develop team members that enjoy working with people in a fun and rewarding environment. Self-motivated and results-oriented individuals will excel using their organization and problem-solving skills. Salary ranges from $19 per hour to $20 per hour. Responsibilities for this job: as being a remote customer service at a call center for Independent Community Bankers of America is answering phones and respond to consumer cardholder agent bank inquiries in a timely and professional manner. Identify, research, and resolve cardholder or agent bank issues, including activation, inquiries, and process improvements. Exceed customer expectations using quality assurance metrics. Collaborate with team members in other departments. Provide consumer and business online support. Identify and escalate priority issues to the appropriate resource. Recognize and document customer trends. The qualifications for this job, all of these are required. It's a high school diploma or GED, basic computer and keyboarding skills, ability to learn new software applications, good listening skills and problem solving, professional verbal and written communication skills. Schedules include shifts, rotations, and or Saturday hours. Preferred is the the skills that they're preferred that you don't have to be required are MS Office experience, knowledge of credit card terms and conditions, 6 months of previous customer service experience in a fast-paced, high-volume call center environment, ability to multitask, bilingual Spanish and English. And this is it, you guys, for this video. Those are the 2 jobs. I hope you guys love it, like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, comment down below, and turn on that notification bell, you guys. Get a piece of that work pie, get that second job you always wanted, that dream job you always wanted, and pass the word along and share the video so you can help someone who you may know that may want a job in these fields, or or just help yourself. You guys, this video is over. I am so pleased to say that you guys are great supporters. Thank you for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you and goodbye. See you on the next video. Bye.